Video we are going to understand and learn the concept of buyer persona. What do buyer persona exactly mean? Buyer persona means our targeted customers, our potential customers, to create an imaginary picture of our customers. How do we want them? What are their interests? What are their requirements? What are their pain points? To know details of a customer, to create an imaginary picture of a customer. For example, customer information like name, any xyz name, gender, like for a digital marketing course gender won't matter, but for cloth or jewelry gender would matter here. Location, where do you want your targeted audience to locate? Where you want to locate your targeted audience is your location. So it may be India, Pakistan, USA, etc, etc. Relationship status, uh, this would matter where your product or service is for married couples or unmarried people. Normally it would be unmarried people, but somewhere it may be married couples, like some product or service would be there only for them. Work, like you want studying people, you want small business owners, large business owners, etc. This would matter depending on your product and service. Interest, what do interest means? What are their interests, so that they would be interested in your product or services. To know their interests, so that they would be interested in your product or services. For example, in digital marketing course they would be interested in IT field, they should be interested in computers, they should be interested in learning online things. Firstly, because it's an online course, so they should be interested in learning online courses. So this all things would matter here. Now, there are more four things which matters, that is customer research, customer pain point, customer goals. How can you help them? These all things also matter a lot, and basically this matters in social ad. It is very important in social media ads. What does customer research means? Customer research means to understand, to know, to acquire where do our customer locate, where do they live, what is the age of the customer, what is their preference. This would you can gather this information from Google Analytics, or if you have a Facebook page, in Insight you will get this information. If you have a YouTube channel, you would understand, you would know who all are liking your videos, seeing your videos, or you'll get the gender, the country from where they are seeing your videos. Or if you have a business Instagram account, in settings, if you go in Instagram, you would get like who has liked the videos, seen the videos, or your post or feed, and from where they are located. This all information you can gather. This is very important to acquire customers information. The next is customer pain point. What does customer pain point exactly mean? Customer pain point means, what do customer lack, what are they lacking, so that you can provide that thing in your product or services. Why will be they taking your product or services? If they are lacking for a thing, then they would be interested in your product or services if you are giving it to them. You should understand the pain points of the customer firstly, to add all those things in your product or services, so that the customer should be interested to take your product. And what are customer goals? Customer goals, like what is he looking forward for? Like if he's taking your product or services, what is his goal? If in a digital marketing course he want to acquire a digital marketing agency, he want to get more customers, this would be his goal in a digital marketing. If he's buying an online digital marketing course, uh, anything else. And the main point is, how can you help them to realize people that their pain, all their pain points, and then tell them that you will provide all it to them through your product or services. To let them know that you will be giving them the lacking points that they are missing in other product and services. What all things can you give it to them that other product or services similar to your product or services can't give them? This is the way in which you can help them to overcome their lacking things. This all thing is very important. This will help in social media ads, and this will help in creating a very good strong buyer persona to understand a buyer in all the aspects. Firstly, to sell a product or a services, you should know your buyer and buyer. You should know your customer. What are they wanting from you? Why exactly are they looking from you? What exactly they want from you, so that they would be interested, they would be urging to take your product or services, they would pick up their pockets and pay it to you. What all can you give them that they should be urging to do all these things? This is very important, and this is buyer persona.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.